Okay, I'm going to make another attempt at showing you how to share it. So when you click send, there you go. You can choose to collect email addresses if you'd like, but that only really works if everybody has Gmail. So you can set that so that you know who sent you the votes. You can share the survey right now if you wanted to. If you had everybody's email address, you just click that and it will, and you choose who you want to email it to. If you want to copy it, just the link and send people the link, you can do that. This is how you embed it if you want to put it into a website or something. Probably for you, because 2025, the easiest way is either to enter email addresses or just to get the link. You can shorten the link too, so it's not such a long one, and then email the link to everybody. And they just click on it and vote. Okay? So it's that simple, really. Good luck, and let me know if you need anything else.